Hello students, now let us understand how can use a same word with different parts of speech. As we know, there are 8 different parts of speech. Now how do we use the same word given in a sentence in different parts of speech? First, you are quite right. Second, keep to the right. Third sentence, go right, then take left turn. Now in these 3 sentences, students, the same word right is being used, but the usage of right in all the 3 sentences is different. How are they different? Let us understand. You are quite right. Now here, who is the subject? We are talking about you. Now how are we describing the subject you? With the usage of the word right. And if we are describing the subject with a word, then that becomes your adjective. So in this first sentence, right is used as an adjective. Next, keep to the right. Now keep to the right means we are telling somebody to move to a particular place. So your right is used as a place, and we know noun is the name of any place, name, animal and thing. So your right is used as a noun. Next, go right, then take left turn. Now we are saying over here, what is the verb? Verb is go. So first identify the verb go, and what is the word which is modifying or explaining further the verb go? It is your word right. So your right is used as an adverb. As we know, adverbs are those words which modify your verbs. Modify means give more meaning to or clarity to. Similarly, let us do another example. The earth is round. The kids ran round. We won the first round of the quiz. Earth is round. Earth is your noun. The word describing the noun is your adjective. So round is used as an adjective here. The kids ran round. They ran round something. Okay. So the positioning of the kids around something is described by your preposition round. So here round is used as a preposition. We won the first round of the quiz. Here round is used as your noun. Okay. Next, third. He had a pain in the back. She came back in a few minutes. I locked the back door. He backed the wrong team. Now, this word back is used in 4 different ways in this sentences. He had a pain in the back. Now, we are describing a particular place. So, it is your back. So, it is used as a noun. She came back in a few minutes. The verb is came, and the word describing came is back. Modifying came. Where did she come? She came back in a few minutes. So back is used as an adverb here. I locked the back door. I locked the back door. Which door? The door is your noun. How is the door? The back door. Where is the door? It is in the back. So it is describing your door. So back is used as an adjective here. He backed the wrong team. Here backed is used as a noun. Number 4, give me my share of sweets. Okay, and I shared my sweets with my friends. Give me my share of sweets is used as a noun in the first sentence because it is describing your thing. Give me my share of sweets. Second, I shared my sweets with my friends. I shared, doing word. Any doing word or action word is your verb. So shared is used as a verb in the second sentence. Next is fake people desert us the most when we need them. Second is camel is the ship of the desert. How is the word desert used in these 2 sentences? Fake people desert us the most when we need them. Desert us means they हमारा पीछा छोड़ देते. They leave us. Okay, desert us means to leave us stranded. So leaving, deserting is a doing word. So it is a verb. Camel is the ship of the desert. Ship of the desert is used as a noun here. It describes any name, place, animal or thing, noun. Therefore, ship of the desert. Desert is used as your noun here. So I hope you liked the explanation. If yes, kindly subscribe. Thank you.